Head, heart, hands. 3H.
Head, heart, hands.
3H.
Head, heart, hands.
That's right.
Our individualized perspectives and head knowledge only approaches have introduced an unsustainable construct here in the West. Taking out and separating industrial tech in early learning development has only increased the negative stigma placed on skilled labor work worldwide. Head knowledge stuffing our young people in order to become competitive, in my opinion, is an exercise of scarcity that constricts self-reliance and the entrepreneurial spirit. At 3H Intro into Pre-Apprenticeship, we seek to re-engage the indigenous construct of head, heart, and hand knowledge in early learning development. We feel that working with your hands not only produces opportunities, but also pulls out uniqueness and creativity. Check the description below and join us for our next 3H Intro into Pre-Apprenticeship workshop. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page, Coach Green Gene, where you can be involved with free content. We thank you and we'll see you real soon.
Around you as you excel as professionals. You're not only going to use your head, but you're going to have the skills and the heart to move forward and take responsibility for yourselves, your family, and your environment. And you're going to pass that down to the next generation. You're going to be so well and so good at what you're going to do, you're going to duplicate yourself.